Meaning of isomer.
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 Isomer. An isomer is a molecule that has the same molecular formula as another molecule, but with different chemical structures. In other words, isomers are compounds that have the same number and types of atoms, but arranged in different ways. This results in isomers having different physical and chemical properties even though they have the same chemical formula. There are two main types of isomers: structural isomers, which differ in the way their atoms are connected, and stereoisomers, which differ in the way their atoms are arranged in space.